Hello students, let us study about the human respiratory system. It is first the air is entered through the nostrils. Air passes through the nostril is filtered by fine hairs. It protects from the bacteria and mucus also present. Mucus also help for the entering of the air inside the body to the lungs. Air passes through the throat, then to the lungs. First nostrils, then to the throat, then to the lungs. Rings of cartilage are present in the throat to ensure that the air passage does not collapse. There is a cartilage tissue is present. It made up of rings, number of rings. Okay. First air enter into the through the nasal passage, then to the pharynx, then to the larynx, then trachea. Trachea is made up of rings of cartilage. It protects from the damaging of the uh, trachea. Okay, number of rings are present. Okay, then uh, two branches are there, that is known as bronchi. Okay, bronchi is consist of two branches of trachea is bronchioles, bronchi, bronchiole, and alveolar sac. There are two lungs. The lungs are protected by the ribs. Okay, here two branches of trachea is known as bronchi. Bronchi is consist of number of the bronchioles. Bronchi is consist of two branches, that is known as two branches bronchi. Then it goes to the number of alveoli. Okay, that is known as bronchioles. Okay, alveoli is a these are the bulb-like structures. They are known as alveoli. There oxygen is filtered and one and diaphragm. Okay, the respiratory bronchi is completely surrounded by number of blood vessels. It helps the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood to be transported to the complete part of the body. Deoxygenated blood it enter into the kidney for filtration. Here oxygenated blood, these are the respiratory bronchioles. It takes up the oxygen and sent to the heart, pure oxygen. Deoxygenated blood it enter into the kidney. Alveoli, these are bulb-like structures. Within the lung, the passage divides into smaller and smaller tubes. Within the lung, the passage divides into smaller and smaller tubes. Finally, it is terminated. It is known as balloon-like structures are called alveoli, singular alveoli. Its main function is exchange of gases takes place. The walls of the alveoli contain extensive network of blood vessels. The blood brings carbon dioxide from the rest of the body. This carbon dioxide uh, exhale it, release out. Okay, with the help of alveoli, and the oxygen alveolar air are taken up the blood. This alveolar blood vessel to be transported to the all the cells of the pure oxygen is transported to the complete part of the body. The residual volume is of air is so that the sufficient time for oxygen absorbed and it is carbon dioxide is exhaled. Okay,